Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So today I'm doing a video on day creams or face moisturizers. So this was a requested video. People asked me that what kind of moisturization we can use for our face, what kind of creams, gels or whatever. So I, being an oily skin person, I personally don't use a moisturizer for face daily. So I mostly use a very light moisturizer like aloe vera gel or the Ananda Spa cream, and I top it up with my sunscreen, which is a cream based product, so it adds to the moisture which has to be there in my face. But in case you require some extra moisturization or you don't want to apply sunscreen on a particular day, or let's say of course you have dry skin and or of course combination skin is one which definitely needs facial moisturizer very frequently. So I have some options here for you, so keep on watching. First option that I have is the Khadi aloe vera gel. You can use Patanjali, you can use O3 plus, you can use normal natural aloe vera as well. So make sure that you apply a little bit of this before you are applying your sunscreen or before you're applying your serum or anything, so that it blends in your skin, it absorbs in your skin and gives the benefit. Now aloe vera gel is a very light, nice kind of a moisturizer, does not have a very strong smell as well. So I really recommend even dry skin, combination and oily skin people, this suits very well as a face cream. The second face cream, which is actually a very new find for me, but it's really good, is the plum grapeseed and sea black buckthorn, whatever that is, very exotic, SPF 30 day cream. So this cream I really like because this has SPF in it, and SPF 30 I can mostly use only the day cream and skip my sunscreen with it. So this is one cream which I would really recommend all of you, especially my oily skin beauties, to try, because this anyways has SPF, so you can skip your sunscreen, gives you the perfect moisture, and actually it stays till the day. I hope you know what I mean. The moisture which is there in the morning stays throughout, let's say till late evening, or rather late afternoon, early evening, it stays, which is why I really like it. Prices would be listed in the description box. I'm not talking of prices here. Then there's an empty tub of Ananda Spa Light Moisturizer. All my old subscribers, my loyal subscribers would know that this is my favorite product. Whenever I have to use a face moisturizer or a day cream, I stick to this. Any oily skinned lady, you can definitely try this one. This has the basic moisturization that any oily skin girl or a combination skin girl would require, and definitely suits the purpose very well. Plus it suits my skin in a way that it gives a very dewy kind of a glow to my skin, which is why I like it again for another reason. Then again there's a new find for me, which is from Hedonista, which is their clear moisturizer in vanilla and lavender. I am not biased because of the lavender smell. I really like it despite the lavender smell as well. So this is one product which is a new find for me. This is extremely light, even lighter than an aloe vera gel. Like, you would apply it on your face, in 2 or 3 minutes it completely absorbs and there's nothing to be seen on the skin. So let's say in the night, if you want to apply a moisturizer, you can actually use this moisturizer, and let's say before your makeup, before the primer, if you want to apply something, this is a very good option for that, because this absorbs very well in the skin. Within 2 minutes you would not be able to even know that there's something on your face, which is why I really like it. Of course the smell, the lavender smell, is also there. Then there is something for my dry skin ladies, only for dry skin ladies, because it's very hydrating. I guess many of the bloggers have talked about it, but I'm just reinstating the fact. It is the Cetaphil DAM, or the Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Cetaphil lotion should be like a holy grail for all of my dry skin beauties, because this is extremely nice, hydrating, and definitely for a dry face, I can imagine what kind of moisture do you require, which this Cetaphil lotion definitely provides. So I would really recommend all my dry skin girls to try this out as a face moisturizer or as a daily face cream. Then I have something which I also like, I don't want to endorse it because it has the term white in it, but again I have tried it because the ingredients were not very alarming when I checked them. They were not very whiteness prone ingredients, so I checked them, and actually it has worked good on my skin, which is why I'm recommending it to you. But in no way I'm recommending any whiteness, fairness, whatever shit that I call it, if you can allow me to say that. So this is the O3 Plus White Day Cream. It has the term white, which is why I do not like it. But apart from that, I have tried it, I have used it. It's very, what should I say, very smoothing. It has a very smoothing effect on my face. And definitely, it's also not very heavy on the skin. It gives you the balanced moisture that you require for your skin. So this is the one which I did not see any alarming ingredient again in this, which can cause whitening or fairness, which is something which we dread, or at least I dread. Actually, you know, we can't really blame the brand for adding whiteness. It is we who are to be blamed for the term white. So this is also a sixth option which you can definitely try, because O3 Plus is a great brand, and I've tried the day cream. It's a pretty decent one, like definitely above average. These were my 6 options, I guess. Yes, 6 options of day creams or face moistures for face moisturizers that you can use. And I'm fumbling too much on moisturizer, so I won't say that again. So these are my picks. Hope you liked it. I hope that your favorite was also featured in these 6 of these day creams. My favorite is the aloe vera gel, which I mostly use, and the Ananda Spark cream. Except all of the others, I have used them, I love them, but I don't use them on a daily basis. So this was my video. Hope you liked it. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye bye.